Bullish Theta value forecast is $1.54 to $4.43. The Theta cost will likewise reach $5 soon. Theta negative market cost expectation for 2022 is 95 cents. In Theta organization cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Theta to examine the future development of the digital money. Theta organization current market status. The cost of Theta organization is $1.10 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $42,664,701 at the hour of composing. Notwithstanding, Theta has diminished to 0.3% as of now. Besides, Theta organization has a circling supply of 1 billion Theta. Right now, Theta exchanges cryptographic money trades. For example, Binance, FMFW.io, ZBCOM, HipTC, Crypto.com, KuCoin, Bitrue, DigiFinex, Huobi Worldwide, and Gate.io. What is Theta organization? Theta organization is the local administration badge of the Theta organization. Theta organization is a decentralized distributed video real-time stage that was sent off in 2019. Theta was sent off in 2018 as an ERC20 token. Theta organization blockchain is gotten by the verification of stake agreement component that depends on the Byzantine adaptation to internal failure calculation. The organization has two tokens, a non-inflationary token, Theta organization, and an inflationary token, Theta fuel. Theta allows its holders the administration freedoms inside the Theta organization biological system. Validators and local area holders need to stake Theta tokens to check the exchange on the blockchain. Theta organization fills in as an EVM viable brilliant agreements-based stage for sending off dApps. It rewards clients with local tokens for sharing and web-based recordings to the local area. Theta organization value expectation 2022. The above diagram of Theta organization spread out a sliding channel, plunging channel otherwise called the falling channel. A plunging channel is framed by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the quality of a negative market. As of now, Theta organization is at $1.10. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of Theta could arrive at the opposition level of $1.07, $1.23, and $1.33. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of Theta might tumble to 92 cents. Theta organization backing and obstruction levels. The outline underneath shows the help and opposition levels of Theta organization. The outlines show that Theta has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, Theta could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $4.43. In like manner, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of the Theta could plunge to nearly 95 cents, a negative sign. Theta organization value expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Theta organization is displayed in the underneath graph. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past volume for merchants. Right now, the RVOL of Theta lies beneath the end line, showing frail members in the latest thing. Besides, the moving normal of Theta organization is displayed in the above diagram. Prominently, the Theta cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is totally in a descending pattern. At present, Theta is in a negative state. There is plausible of an inversion pattern of Theta whenever. In the meantime, the general strength record of the Theta is at a degree of 53.16. This implies that Theta is neither overbought nor oversold state. Notwithstanding, this gives certainty to the merchants to exchange with practically no trepidation. Theta organization value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of Theta organization. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Theta organization. At present, Theta lies in the scope of 34.774, so it shows serious areas of strength for it. From the above outline, the overall unpredictability list of Theta organization. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame as opposed to cost changes. The RVI of Theta lies simply over 50, demonstrating higher instability. As a matter of fact, Theta's RSI is at 53.16, subsequently affirming a potential purchase signal. Correlation of Theta with BTC, ETH. The underneath outline shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Theta organization. From the above outline, we can decipher ETH, BTC, and Theta are moving in a comparable pattern yet with slight contrasts. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and Theta likewise increment or abatement separately. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Theta organization could most likely achieve $6.50 by 2023. Theta organization value forecast 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, Theta organization could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Theta could energize to hit $7.20 by 2024. Theta organization value expectation 2025. On the off chance that Theta organization supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Theta would energize to hit $8.50. Theta organization value expectation 2026. On the off chance that Theta organization supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Theta would mobilize to hit $10. Theta organization value forecast 2027. In the event that Theta organization supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Theta would energize to hit $13.50. Theta organization value expectation 2028. On the off chance that Theta organization holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years, it could observe a huge cost rallies. Consequently, by 2028, Theta would hit $15. Theta organization value forecast 2029. In the event that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Theta organization, it would observe significant spikes. Theta could hit $17.50 by 2029. Theta organization value expectation 2030. With more prominent progressions in the Theta organization environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Theta organization for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Thus, Theta organization could hit $20 by 2030. And, with persistent upgrades in the Theta organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Theta. Consequently, the bullish value expectation of Theta organization in 2022 is $4.43. Then again, the negative value expectation of Theta organization for 2022 is 95 cents. Moreover, with the headways and updates in the Theta organization environment, the presentation of Theta organization could hit $5 acquiring financial backers consideration. It would likewise transcend its untouched high of $15.72 sooner rather than later. 1. What is Theta organization? Theta organization is the administration badge of the Theta organization, a decentralized video real-time stage. Theta was sent off as an ERC20 token in 2018. 2. Where might you at any point buy Theta organization? Theta organization has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, FMFW.io, ZBCOM, HipTC, Crypto.com, KuCoin, Bitrue, DigiFinex, Huobi Worldwide, and Gate.io. 3. Will Theta organization come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and